Hi everyone, it's Anna here. Today we're diving deep into how to create a fully custom property page template with WPResidence Studio System and Elementor Free. This video will walk you through all the important sections, widgets, and display controls. First, make sure that WPResidence Studio plugin version 5.2.0 is installed and active. You can install it from the Install Plugins notice or from WPResidence Site Settings plugins. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu called WPResidence Studio Templates. From here, you can create custom templates for specific parts of your site, including the header, footer, property pages, and more. To add a new template, click Add New, give your template a descriptive name, and then select Property as the template type from the dropdown. Select Elementor full width to yes if you wish to control the content with values from Elementor and not the theme default design. Once you save the template, you will see it in the Property tab and you can edit it at any time. Click Edit with Elementor to open the visual editor. You'll see a blank canvas where you can start building your property page layout from scratch. Or you can insert a preview template from WPResidence Studio library to speed things up. Before creating the template, I want to explain when you need to use this system because it is not always needed. WPResidence already includes everything a real estate site needs out of the box. You have pre-designed templates included with the theme. They are available right from theme options in your WP admin. However, if you want to create a custom layout and to change the design, rearrange sections in a different font, color, or different position, you can do this with Template Studio. It gives you full control using Elementor and WPResidence widget while you keep all the native theme functionality and options. Let's start by adding the property image gallery. There are several widgets available for property images. I'll drag one of these gallery widgets and place it at the top of the page, and I will adjust the width and spacing with Elementor controls. The next section you want to add is the title area, which usually includes the property name and optional details like price, address, share, print, and more. WPResidence offers several widgets to help you recreate this section in your custom template. For the easiest approach, use the title section widget. This widget replicates the default theme design and includes all the key elements. You can fully customize the layout, typography, spacing, and colors using Elementor's controls so it matches your desired style perfectly. The next section I wish to show you is how to add the overview section, which is perfect for highlighting the most important details about the property right at the top of the page. Things like type, size, bedrooms, and so on. Using the overview section widget, you can choose exactly which fields you wish to display. They can be from the theme default fields or the property custom fields you wish to add. For each item, you can also select a custom label and you can add an icon from the dropdown or even upload your own icon to match your branding. Next, you can continue by adding more detailed sections such as description, address, property details, features and amenities, mortgage calculator, virtual tour, or video. You can group this into tabs, and using the tabs widget, you can choose exactly which section to show and which to hide. You can add them as individual sections and you can place them anywhere in your layout in the order you prefer. Or you can use the accordion widget for a more compact layout, and again you can select which section you wish to appear. And all these widgets allow you to customize the design with Elementor as well. To help generate leads and make it easy for visitors to reach out, you'll want to include the agent info, a contact form, and the schedule a tour option. WPResidence gives multiple widgets for this, and depending on how you want to display them, you can choose one or another. You have an agent card widget to show the assigned agent's name, image, contact info, and social links. You have a contact form widget, which is connected directly to the property agent with fields like name, email, phone, and message. And you can even add a scheduler tour widget, which allows visitors to book viewing a time directly from the property page. Let's look at a real example, a custom template we created with one of our demos. In this layout, we use the single sheet display widget, which lets you show individual fields one by one anywhere on the page. This is great when you want to get a more custom design. We also use the new gallery widget, which allows you to show the property image in a different style. You can add a disclaimer to add general information about your site. and even create a custom similar listing section to show at the end of your property. Use Elementor's responsive controls to ensure a property page will look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. And don't forget to preview and test across devices. Once your design is ready, you can click Update in Elementor and back to the WPResidence Studio dashboard. You can assign this template globally to all property pages, or you can use display rules to show different templates for specific property categories, like rentals versus sales, or land versus apartments, and so on. Custom property pages are your chance to make a strong first impression with potential buyers. You can use the Studio Template system with Elementor Free to fully control the layout and content, no coding required. Thanks for watching. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more WPResidence tips and tutorials. Check the description for links and documentation, and stay tuned. Next, we'll explore creating templates for agents and agencies.